If you listen, a song I will sing about my daddy who ran all our trains way down in the south in old Alabama. We lived in a place that they called Chapman Town. And late in the evening, when the sun was low, way off in the distance, you could hear the train blow. The folks would come running, the mama would sing, take your supper on the table, here comes that lost train. Every morning at the break of day, he'd grab his lunch bucket and be on his way. Winter or summer, sunshine or rain, every morning he'd run that old log train, a sweating and a swearing all day long, shouting, get up there, oxen, keep moving along. Load her aboard, 'cause it looks like rain. I've got to get rolling that old log train. This story happened a long time ago. The log train is silent, 'cause it's told that to go. But when I get to heaven, to always remain, I'll listen for the whistle on that old log train.
Everybody wants to know the reason why I wear this rose of white on my grave. They don't know my poor heart died the day you left me. Leave this rose of white at peace, it's now at rest. Like the rose of white, my love was blooming. Though there was the sunshine here that made it grow. Like a rose that withered when the sun stopped shining. Love won't go and kill like the winter snow. Once my heart was gay, full of laughter. When so long ago we strolled along the dell, but it died the good day that's the cause for this white rose.
Old drunkard stumbling down the street, scrounging for a little change. Maybe it's scornful looks, deceit, bloodshot, hollow eyes, now rest now, ease your troubled mind, dream of a better time, from a life out on the streets, down. Old drunkard sitting in the park, killing time, drinking wine, sun is shining there. Yesterday with all its weariness, soon will surely be forgotten now. Rest now, drink your pain away, dream of a better day, from a life out on the scale, down. Old drunkard passed out on the sidewalk, 1,000 shoes pass by, but they won't see you there. One life, how much is it worth in this wicked world where no one rest now, ease your troubled mind, dream of a better time, from a life out on the skids, down and down.
An old cowboy went riding out one wild winter day. Upon a ridge he rested as he went along his way, when all at once a mighty herd of ragged cows he saw, plowing through the ragged sky, and up a valley low. Their brands were still on fire and the hooves were made of steel. Flames were black and shiny and their hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as he wandered through the sky. Oh, he saw the riders coming hard and he saw them mournful cry. Here's the one. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yi-oh. Those drivers in the sky, their faces come, their eyes were red, their shirts so soaked and sweat. They're riding hard to catch that dirt, but they ain't caught 'em yet. They got to ride forever on that range up in the sky, on horses stood in fire. As they ride on, hear their cry. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-oh. Those riders in the sky. As the riders looked on by him, he heard one called his name. If you want to save your soul from hell, riding on a rain. Then cowboy, change your ways, yeah, with the shoe will ride, trying to get your devil's hood across these endless skies. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-oh. Those riders in the sky, those riders in the sky, those riders in the sky.
I sat down one evening within a small cafe. A 40-year-old waitress to me these words did say, I see that you're a logger and not just a common bum, 'cause nobody but a logger stirs his coffee with his thumb. My lover was a logger, there's none like him today. If you'd pour whiskey on it, he would eat a bale of hay. Well, he never shaved his whiskers from off of his horny hide. He just drive them in with a hammer and bite them off inside. My lover came to see me, 'twas on one freezing day. He held me in a fond embrace which broke 3 vertebrae. He kissed me when we parted, so hard that he broke my jaw. I could not speak to tell him he forgot his Mackinaw. I saw my lover leaving, sauntering through the snow, while going bravely forward at 48 below. The weather, it tried to freeze him, it tried its level best. At 100 degrees below zero, he buttoned up his vest. It froze clear through to China, it froze to the stars above. At 1,000 degrees below zero, it broke my honor love. And so I lost my lover, and to this cafe I come, and till someone stirs his coffee with his thumb.
You were mine for just a while, now you're putting on the style, and you never once look back at your home across the track. You're the gossip of the town, but my heart can still be found where you tossed it to the ground. Pick me up on your way down. Pick me up on your way down when you're blue and all alone. When their glamour starts to bore you, come on back where you belong. You may be their pride and joy, but they'll find another toy, and they'll take away your crown. Pick me up on your way down. Pick me up on your way down when you're blue and all alone. When the glamour starts to bore you, come on back where you belong. You may be their pride and joy, but they'll find another toy, and they'll take away your crown. Pick me up on your way down. When you tumble to the ground, pick me up on your way down.